split. First, you need to get some of your bed pillow. Like you need 3 of them here and here. And you need just to stand up. Okay, like that, and like this, like the split. And you need to take one of them, and they will be like a masterpiece.
Advisor pa rin.
Tingnan nyo yung nangyari pag na-trade ko.
Extra curriculum lang yan.
See?
Order
This
na
is
advisor.
useful. You can even watch my videos and not subscribe, because this is how I make a split. A real trend, like yung pataas. Nag-ano kasi ako, nagkaganon, tsaka nagkaganon, pag ginaganon. Tsaka, naano yun naman naano yung isa, tsaka yung tabi nyo, tsaka yung isa, tsaka magkaganito. Ganon.
Recto order na advisor.
Tsaka ganito.
Mag-perform ka. Doon ka
Okay.
Kasi ito, extra curriculum lang po.
Tsaka ganito.
Pero pag sa advisor,
Tsaka ganon.
gawin mo ito, siyempre, dito sa private.
Ganon.
Oh, sa advisor ang nagsabi sa akin yan.
1, 2,
Sa advisor ang nagsabi sa amin yan.
4, 5, 6. Tsaka gagawin nyo na.
Yung mga ito, walang problema.
Okay, like this.
Pasensya na kayo, pamerienday ko na kayo. Bibigyan pa kita ng 500 pamerienday ng kung pinag-ilang buong yan. Nakikita mo itong buong ito?
See, that's how you make it.
Ang 500 yan, pamerienday
Don't
mo sila.
be
Kasi kami,
unsubscribe to me, because I only have 56 subscribers, so please bring it to 60.
Pag gusto mo